Well, here's an update on the Morris Minor. I've just done some welding. Like always, you start off with a bit of welding, you end up with 10 times as much. But this hasn't turned out too bad. I've welded in, you'll see on the previous videos, there's a great big hole there. I've welded a plate in there, and I've made up this headlamp housing, and I took the headlamp out to check the bulbs. It was so rot, it just all disintegrated, so I've more or less got that back together, and I'm hoping on both of these welds that I'll just be able to use some primer filler. I don't particularly want to use any pug. Radiator's out. Had a bit of a problem with the wiring, in as much as that the joints seem to have rotted. They've gone verdigris and rotted on the back of the ignition and also on the back of the lighting switch. And you can see perhaps how they've gone green and very brittle, and they've been breaking off. So I've had to trace through the wiring and make up a temporary switch, which you can see there, while I'm waiting for the replacement switches to arrive. And I've checked out, I had to check out here because I've also had dry joints, so lights weren't working, especially the headlamps. I think they're sorted out now. I've got the new bowls, there's one of them, to go in. I'll get this painted up today and hopefully get the headlamps in and working. Been waiting for electrical parts to turn up. They haven't turned up today, so hopefully they'll turn up tomorrow. Some other bits and pieces turned up, so I can get on at least and start to get things back together. The seats and carpet, I might eventually get them in some point. And then the rest of this welding, I'm going to perhaps take this out and look behind it, because I have a habit of going on those seals. Doors, door bottoms, I can get that done alright. So I think that's about it. Nearer draws the time, and hopefully this will be on the road. Well, this has still got to be done, but I've decided to keep these wings. I'm going to take this off and repair all this, because I had a look at some replacement wings, some new ones, and they're just not as thick as these. They're nowhere near the quality of these, so what I've done, I've salvaged metal from the floor. I've got some plate here from another project. So I've been using that, and hopefully once that wing's taken off, I'll get behind and seal it all, and you know what the score is. Okay then, see you.